Is my child having autism or is it just a phase? Fear of what? How am I going to face the fact that my child is not normal? Is how people call it autism, not normal. Is this autism or is it just a phase? In itself is an indication, and a very strong indication at that you have a child who's on the autism spectrum and you are a parent who's finding it massively difficult to accept it. Hello, everybody. Welcome. Sashakt Empowering Lives. Yet another video, power packed video. I am Rajni, special educator, 18 years work experience. We empower parents so that they can lead their child towards effective adulthood. Yes. For all the people who are joining us first time, a very quick introduction. Like I said, my name is Rajni, special educator, now 18 years of work experience, mother to a proud 22-year-old who is independent and on the autism spectrum and is a working professional. He's a graduate, lives in another city. In a nutshell, is independent. And so can your kid be if you follow the proper protocols and the systems and do effective parenting. Today's topic is my child having autism or is it just a phase? When I look at this request, because we look at the top trending questions and we look at what people are requesting, what do they want us to make the topic on? And I couldn't help but smile looking at the topic, is it autism or is it just a phase? The very fact that you are asking this question means you have enough evidence and data in your head at various points in time. Otherwise, you would not have been asking this question at all. Right? You have from time to time seen your child explode into behaviors that you've had no idea how to control, or behaved in so-called weird ways around other children that you are wondering that's not how other children are playing, or seen your kids struggle their level best, to come up with a proper sentence, or maybe saying a sentence but somewhere losing it and saying something else irrelevant. You've seen enough telltale signs if you still don't have a diagnosis. So if a behavior is coming up and you're very clearly not able to see that the impulse control is not in place, I absolutely understand your fear. The fear of how am I going to face the fact that my child is not normal, is how people call it. Autism, not normal. Mentally not normal. That's what they say. However, if you delve deep into the studies and you realize and you understand there's nothing about normalcy or no normalcy here. It's a way of being. You are either neurotypical or neurodivergent. And being neurodivergent means your brain is wired a little differently. Not that it is not intelligent or it is handicapped. No. But it perceives information differently and it gives the output differently. So, my dear ladies and gentlemen, when your brain is giving the output in a totally different manner, like your kid's brain is giving output in a different manner, it is visible, isn't it? Then to continue to say, no, it's just a phase. So, I would just leave you with the bare you and not put in any words there. If you don't have the courage to go ahead and say, oh my God, oh hell, yes, this is what it is, how are you going to work on it? Then you'll continue to put it under the wraps. Oh no, it's just a phase. Oh no, it's just a phase. Sometimes he gets cranky. Right now, he's not in a mood. The kind of explanations I've heard and the crazy wastage of time. A 12-year-old's mother saying she's just not in mood, otherwise she does it. Completely blind to the actual, day-to-day existence of the child. But what is that giving you? The comfort that your child is regular and not autistic. And what is it doing to the child? It is making the child lose important years of their life which you could have used to build up skills. Please remember, autism is workable. The very fact that you are questioning, is this autism or is it just a phase, in itself is an indication, and a very strong indication at that you have a child who's on the autism spectrum and you are a parent who's finding it massively difficult to accept it. Here's a quick tip. Don't go for psychometric assessment just yet because you're already worried, and I know pulling on the confidence and the bravery to and the motivation to go and get the test done can be very difficult. Yeah. So don't go for psychometric assessment or autism assessment just yet. Start following the protocols. Look here for behavior correction videos from our channel. Apply the given techniques. Now, a simple reverse thing I'm telling you. If I have loose motions and I don't know if this is the regular way of being or if it is something different, and I take loose motion tablet and I get okay. If I take loose motion tablet and I get okay, it means I did have loose motion, right? So it's that simple. If you put behavior correction techniques and your child improves, means your child did have autism. Yeah? Not did have, does have autism. Hope this information was useful. If you want to get onto the journey, embark the journey, learn and help your child be successful with autism, I invite you to join me in our very powerful lives as well as the masterclass. Live happens every Tuesday 7 to 7:30 p.m. on YouTube and Instagram. The link and the handle is given in the description. Also, the Autism Masterclass happens Thursdays or Fridays, 7 to 9:30 p.m. and the link to that is also given in the description box. Also, if you're interested in autism specific books, customized material that can help your child, all the links are given below. And I shall see you yet another time with yet another video.